Hey guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. In this video, we will learn how to create a label in Gmail using standard view and then how to move emails to that label. So, suppose I have many emails from LinkedIn and I want to create a label called LinkedIn, and all the emails whichever I received from LinkedIn will be removed to that label. Even in future, whenever I receive emails from LinkedIn, I will need to move to that label. If you want to know more in details, please watch this video till the end. You can support us by giving thanks. The thanks button is showing at the below of our videos. So without further delay, let's start today's episode. For doing this, let me open my Chrome browser. You can use any browser as you choose.
Taskbar, new tab, Google Chrome, toolbar.
Now I'm going to my Gmail.
Islands, selection, mail.alert, blank, main landmark, primary property.
So when my focus is on the primary, first I need to create a label. To create the label, press right arrow. Remember, your NVDA should be in forms mode and your focus should be in the primary or any other tab. Press left arrow.
Navigation landmark, clickable.
You will find this
9 on red.
Navigation landmark. Press down arrow until you hear the label.
9. Clickable visited link start. Clickable links new. Clickable visited link sent. Clickable visited link drafts 3. Button more labels. Heading level 2 labels. Button create new label.
So this is the option where you need to create the label. So to create a label, press enter here.
Please enter a new label name. Edit blank.
So it is asking to enter the label name. Let me type LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Nest label under checkbox not checked.
So if you are interested in nesting the labels, which means, for example, you create a label called social, and under social you will create many labels such as LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, etc. So you can create. If you want to know more in detail, comment down below. We'll try to make a different video for you. So I don't want to do this right now. I'm pressing tab.
Combo box collapsed.
Tab.
Clickable create button.
Click on create button.
Dialog clickable new label. The label LinkedIn was created. Clickable navigation.
Okay, now the label LinkedIn is created. If you want to move the mails from LinkedIn to this label, it is very difficult. Because if you want to do this, you need to go to your inbox and then find one by one email from LinkedIn, press application key and then go to move to then you can able to do this. But in this session we will learn how you can do this in a short way. In the last session you already learned about how you can search emails, even it came at the date of your account creation. So similarly we will search the mail first. So let me search. I'll not describe the steps in detail. So if you want, you can watch this video from our Gmail playlist. So to do this, I'm going to the browse menu and then I'm going to the advanced search.
Click a search landmark, search mail button, clickable support menu, clickable, search landmark, search mail button on a clickable support menu, click of search landmark, advanced search option, search from edit blank.
So in the from edit box, I'm just typing at linkedin.com because I know the domain LinkedIn is using at linkedin.com. whatever mails I receive from LinkedIn, they are coming from the domain at linkedin.com. So you need to check the domain, because I'm doing this for LinkedIn. If you want to do some other things like my team 11 or some others, you need to check the domain or the complete email address, whichever. Please see the previous video for more details. So here I'm typing at linkedin.com.
From edited lin. At spec from
See.
at LINKEDIN.com
Okay.
at linkedin.com.
Now pressing tab.
To edit blank.
So 2 and 2 I can type, but here I'm not typing anything.
Subject edit blank includes the words that doesn't have a size operator list
So I'm
collapse
choosing
sub
0.
menu greater than 1 of 1.
Okay.
Expanded less than greater than 2 of 2. Greater than size value at 0. Size value at 0 blank size you expect bytes 2 bytes.
So I'm choosing this filters.
Date within list date edit all mail list as attachment check all date within list collapse expand 3 to 1 day 2 of 8. 1 year to 1 year date edits all
year.
mail as attached don't include chats check search mail button create filter link.
So if you want, you can create the filter also, but I'm not doing this.
From edited create search mail button.
I'm just searching.
Basic HTML view main landmark table sent only to me unread LinkedIn rattle your posts got 5 impressions
Now
last
see,
week.
all the mails comes from LinkedIn is now filtered, and I got the mails. Now what I do,
Num lock on.
I just select all the mail by using star
selected.
A.
100 selected.
See, 100 conversation is selected. Now I'm pressing application key.
Menu sub menu.
Press down arrow.
Reply 1 reply forward 3 forward archive delete sig mark as a snooze not add to tab move to filled right pointing pointer
Okay,
sub menu
move
11
to-
of 14.
Now I'm pressing right arrow to expand this submenu.
Slash LinkedIn my T LinkedIn 2
Yes,
of 12.
LinkedIn. This is the label which I have created. Just press enter.
Search results mail document blank 100 conversations move to LinkedIn. Undo.
That's great. So 100 conversations move to LinkedIn. So this is how you can easily filter the email and you can easily move to the inbox. Now I am going back to the inbox.
No next list. Main landmark primary.
Now how to check or how to go to that mail, label. To go to that label, go to navigation menu.
Navigation link start link visit snoozed link.
Press down arrow.
Send drafts import chats link scheduled all mail link visited spam 20 bin link visited categories collapsed manage labels link visited create new label button slash LinkedIn 98 unread as menu link.
98 unread. So 98 emails have been moved to this.
My team 11 as LinkedIn 98 unread my team 11 as menu link. LinkedIn 98 unread as menu.
So if you press enter here, see.
Main landmark. Sent only to me unread. LinkedIn rattle your posts got 5 impressions.
So now you can check all the emails. So this is how you can easily create a label and move your required emails to the inbox. Not inbox, to the label. But the problem is, for now you can do it manually, but whenever the email come in the future, then how to do, what to do? You can do it again manually, but there is an option to do it automatically. For that, you need to create a filter and set some rules for the filter, and it will do well. Gmail will do it for you. That we will discuss in our next episode of Gmail. If you want that episode soon, share this video, and I want this video's views 500. So do it, and we will see with the next interesting video of Gmail soon. That's it guys for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to type into the comment section. If you first time visit, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Don't forget to join our online courses and earn certificate. For details, visit our website. Join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.